What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $1 online using apps to earn money online. So if you got an iPhone, you got an Android. If you're team iPhone, drop it in the comments. If you're team Android, let me know in the comments as well. So just keep them going. So team Android, team iPhone. So a lot of people have their phone and they don't know that they can use their phone to monetize and you can make money with it. So while you're probably at work or you're at home, instead of you scrolling through Facebook, going through Instagram, and using all that time, I'm going to show you a few apps that you could download right now and you can earn money. So I'm going to share with you how to make your first dollar online. So if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. My name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing. So this is my YouTube channel. I make a lot of videos. So feel free to come through here and just scroll through because there's a lot of valuable information in here that will help you. So if this is not a good fit for you, make sure you come through here and you can search my channel. I'm sure you're going to find something that is going to work for you. So not going to waste too much of your time. I'm going to jump into it. So make your first dollar online, apps to earn money. So the first app that I'm going to share with you is an app that is called BitToro.com. So BitToro.com, you can earn Bitcoin and you can earn rewards through your PayPal as well, and also on your Apple just by installing this particular app. So once you install it, I'm going to share with you how you can even make more money using this method. So you sign up. So if you come down here, you see it's good for Apple and it's good for Android as well. So all you got to do is just download it. Once you download it, all you got to do is you see all the offers, you have the rewards, and you also have my wallet. So what you're going to do on this particular app, you basically going to install the app, you watch videos, you complete surveys, and you can redeem your points in Bitcoin. You can get it in PayPal, Ethereum tokens, and also gift cards. So if you look over here, you could see some of the offers. So the offers, you could just download it. This is good for all countries. You can get 100 points. And with the iPhone as well, you get 100 points. So they give you 100 points right out the gate with these, just to sign up. So just to sign up and you can make money. So the partner offers, I'm going to zoom in so you can see. You have some tasks. You have Task AD. You have some surveys as well. And you could do that. So let me just click on the surveys. You have to sign in order for you to complete some of the surveys. So at the shop area, if you look over the shop, there it is. There's Bitcoin right here. And due to like high volume, they used to give out for 1,000 points, you can cash out, but they changed it so you got to have at least 10,000 points in order. So if you got a Coinbase account, that's even good because that's where they will just, you can redeem your points right there with Coinbase. Ethereum, you got PayPal. PayPal, it doesn't have, you can convert your points into cash and it will be deposited in your PayPal account. So 1,000 plus points, you can send that directly to your PayPal. Amazon gift card, you got to have 20,000. Google, 10,000. Starbucks, 10,000. Target, you got to have 10,000. So it is good. You can check out your wallet. If you click on the wallet here, you can see how much points you've earned. And what I'm going to show you how to even make more money so you can invite people. And once you invite people, you're going to get a code with the bonus code right away. And for every person that you invite, you're going to earn referral of 10% bonuses of all the points for a lifetime. So that is huge. So if someone earns 1,000 points, you're going to get 10%. 10% of 1,000, you're going to get 100 points. So you can earn up to 50 points just on the install. So you invite people, you're going to get points, 50 points, up to 50 points. And if they stay on and they continue to use it, you're going to get 10%. So if I were you, most people are still in school. Some of you are still working. You got a large group of family or friends. You could start there. And if you want to up your horizon, you want to get more people, you can go on Twitter, you can go on Facebook, and you could start to share. Just don't go on there and just start saying, hey, anybody want to sign up? Just say, hey, I got a great way how you guys can earn your first dollar online. If you want to learn more, comment info, stuff like that, engaging posts. Let them reach out to you, and then you can send them your link. So once you sign up for that, you can start to make money just by using that. So that's how you can make your first dollar online with the apps, apps to earn money. So the next website that I'm going to show you, or I should say the next app, I know I'm sharing this on my computer screen because if I'm on my phone, it will be much more narrow screen. So the plug, or you can go to plugco.in. So plugco.in, that's the name of the app. It's called, that's the name of the website. It's called The Plug. So easily monetize your influencers. So this, unfortunately, is only for iPhone users. I only found this one on iPhone users. So you easily monetize your influencer audience. So if you got an Instagram account, you can make money with this. If you got people on Facebook, you can also make money on this. So you install the app, you pick a social media that you're going to be doing. Most people these days, they got Snapchat, and most people have Instagram. So it's all about influencers. The more people you got clicking on your link and download, the more money you're going to be getting. So if I were you, I'll be starting to post this in my Snapchat stories and also on my Instagram. If you don't have any of those, you definitely need to open up a channel and get started right away. So people on Snapchat and on Instagram, this one is definitely for you. So you can make money. You earn points for like your promotions. You turn your coins into cash and you get paid in your PayPal. Receive fast payment, and you can view your account at any time. So you can track and see exactly where you're getting most hits from, what time people are actually clicking on your link, how many people actually download the app. So they have like a tracking system where you can see how many people actually download it. So even if you don't have so here's the thing. Even if you don't have an iPhone, it's okay. Not because you have an iPhone doesn't mean you cannot promote it, right? So you can get an invite, you can sign up for a great referral program, click on here, you can earn up to 500 plug coins after you refer people. So even if you don't have an iPhone, it's okay. Just get the link, sign up for it, and just start promoting it. See if you can get some people to sign up for it right away. So all you got to do is just download the app and sign up for their referral program. I do believe you can just click on here and you can sign up for it. And this is for, iPhone. There's always ways around it. If for some reason you ain't got an iPhone and you can't install it, have somebody else install it. And then, send them, let them get your referral code. There's always ways around it. But if you don't have an iPhone, it's okay. Just stick with BitTorrent because this one, it can be used worldwide and you can make money with this. So this is a good app that you can install right away and you can start making money. So I hope you enjoy that video. Of course, these methods ain't gonna get you super duper rich. We already know, but it's still gonna make your first dollar online. And it's apps to earn money. So that's the good thing. So you could start off, see how it feels, make your first dollar online. You want to save up your money, and then you want to step up where you can start a more successful online business where I'm talking about life-changing situation where you can make a ton of money. So remember, check out my new post. I just posted it, and I always post in the community if you guys want to see what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. I took this today because it was Labor Day shooting this video. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. My name is Andre. Peace.